Hey everyone, David Ellis from Machete Boys BBQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make an old-fashioned pulled pork sandwich. This recipe is from Famous Dave's Barbecue Party Cookbook, which is a great resource for anyone looking to up their barbecue game. I'll put a link to the book in the description below. We'll be making Sriracha red cabbage slaw, Dave's apricot mustard barbecue sauce, and of course the star of the show, the pulled pork sandwich. Now this recipe is pretty simple, but it's important to follow the steps closely if you want to make the perfect pulled pork sandwich. So let's get started.
First up, we're going to make the Sriracha red cabbage coleslaw. And if you're following along in the book, this says it serves a party of 6. And well, there's not that many of us eating. So instead, I cut the recipe in half. So I only used a half a head of red cabbage rather than the full head, and all the rest of the ingredients were cut in half too as well. It was really simple to make with just combining the mayonnaise, yellow mustard, lemon juice, sugar, sriracha, a little bit of fresh ground horseradish, salt, and then mixing it all together. I then put that bowl in the refrigerator and let it sit while I got together Dave's apricot mustard barbecue sauce. This recipe was super simple. It of course uses Famous Dave's rich and sassy barbecue sauce, as well as his mustard sauce, which was a little bit more difficult to find. I was able to find it at my local Menards store, but you might want to check on Amazon if you can't find it in your local grocer. And of course you can't make apricot mustard barbecue sauce without apricot preserves.
If you're looking for a resource to make amazing pulled pork for this sandwich, be sure to check out my previous video, The World's Best Smoked Pork Butt.
Now it's finally time for the main event. I began by buttering and grilling a couple of buns. And then to those buns, I added a healthy helping of pork, a mound of this delicious Sriracha coleslaw, and finally I topped it with the apricot mustard barbecue sauce.
Man, this pulled pork sandwich was absolutely delicious. The spiciness of the slaw, counterbalanced by the sweetness from the barbecue sauce and a little bit of tang, was perfect. I will absolutely be serving this at my next barbecue gathering. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on all my latest tips and tricks. I'll see you next time.